India signs ceasefire agreement after major setback in Western theater. Pakistan declares strategic victory. New Delhi, Islamabad. In a stunning turn of events, India and Pakistan have agreed to a ceasefire following a 3-week conflict that saw heavy fighting in Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and Rajasthan. The government of India has officially confirmed that several key military positions along the western border were lost, prompting the decision to halt further escalation. Pakistan's Prime Minister declared a strategic and moral victory late Friday night, after Pakistani forces, supported by cutting-edge drone and cyber capabilities, successfully pushed Indian troops back from key sectors near Sialkot and Poonch. Indian forces, facing logistical challenges, internal political unrest, and mounting international pressure, were unable to sustain momentum on multiple fronts. Timeline of the conflict: April 15, 2027. Conflict erupted after a high-profile terror attack in Srinagar was blamed on Pakistan-backed militants. April 17 to 20, 2027. India launched a large-scale air and ground offensive targeting camps in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which Pakistan claims struck civilian areas. April 21 to 30, 2027. Pakistan retaliated with Operation Zarb-e-Tayyab, deploying AI-enabled drones and Turkish-supplied missile systems that disabled several Indian forward bases. May 3, 2027. Pakistan gained control of critical positions in the Turtik and Uri sectors. Indian reinforcements failed to regain territory amid harsh weather and supply chain breakdowns. May 9, 2027. UN intervened, urging both nations to negotiate a ceasefire to avoid nuclear escalation. Domestic fallout in India. Indian opposition leaders have criticized the government's lack of preparedness and overconfidence, calling for a full parliamentary inquiry. The Defense Ministry acknowledged that cyberattacks disrupted command systems during critical hours of the conflict. Prime Minister's address to the nation mentioned deep regret over the outcome and vowed to rebuild India's defense posture. International response: the United States and China, both nuclear powers, welcomed the ceasefire and pledged to assist in peace talks. The United Nations has announced a fact-finding mission to examine alleged human rights violations and to mediate long-term solutions in the Kashmir region. Casualties and losses: preliminary estimates, Indian forces, 1,200 plus killed, 5,000 plus injured, 3,000 square kilometers lost temporarily. Pakistani forces, 800 plus killed, 3,500 plus injured. Civilians, 1.5 million displaced on both sides of the border. This conflict marks a significant turning point in South Asian geopolitics, raising questions about regional stability, the role of emerging technologies in warfare, and the fragile peace in Kashmir.